Hello my YouTube fan, nice to have you back with me as always. What I've been doing this morning is just a little project. It's something I made earlier, never got round to doing anything with it, so it's just a little bit of scrap art. It's an old socket wrench which is broke, so I turned it into kind of a bird. It'll never fly. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in the garden, but what I want to do is I need a shovel for it to stand on. So here's an old shovel that I've had for quite a while, just kicking about. I've used the steel off the bottom for trowels, I think. So what I've done is it was an old wooden handle, and obviously I want to weld that to it, so I've just welded a bit of gas pipe on it, discarded the old wooden one, and then what I want is another shovel for the bottom. I mean, it's clapped, but as I say, it's only for a garden ornament. And then somebody gave me another shovel a while back, so this is broke at the top, so I'm going to grind that off, or cut that off at the bottom, weld it onto there, then I can weld the bird onto there, and then I can stick it in garden and let it rust in peace. Okay, so I'll be back in a minute. I'm just going to cut this off, I don't need it. I've got this cut off now. Can't really do much with this, with handle broke off it. Besides, I've got loads of shovels. So tack that onto that now, and then I'll work out angle of it, how it wants to go in ground. So I'll get that on. It's only a quick project, is this. Be careful, there's flashing lights in this video. So it's only for cosmetics. Right. Let's see what the angle's like on this. Oh yeah, I think that'll do. So I'm going to go in ground. Right, what I have to do now is weld my ugly bird on top. And it is ugly, only its mother could love it. Right. So I'm going to cut that off the back first, I think. Not necessary. It was to go on a flat surface. No. Never mind. So I'll slice that off, then I'm going to weld that on there. I'll tack it on. There we are. Sorry. And there we have it. May it rust in peace. Right, we'll have to find a place in the garden for it now. Couple of old shovels, these what I call grave digger shovels. They'll make owls. Make good owls then. So another day. Right, let's go get you put in garden, shall we? Here's another one before we put the bird in the ground. The shovel in the ground. This is my frog. Obviously made from a gas canister. But yeah, I like making little animals. Keeps me amused. Right, let's go put it in. There it is. There it stays. I've got these mushrooms to put on stalks yet. Another job. Anyway, you're there, buddy. I mean, I might move him later on, I don't know, but for now, just another garden ornament. So what for now? Right. What you up to, Ted? Right, that's all for now. See you later, catch you on the next project. Hopefully I'll be better by then. Bye for now.